Hello, and welcome to the new video from Upbeat Consult, where we make it easy for you. In this video, we're going to talk about pharmacovigilance and why we need to have it. Pharmacovigilance is the science and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effects or any other medicine or vaccine-related problem. Did you know that the word pharmacovigilance comes from the Greek words pharmakon, drug, and vigilare, to watch? Pharmacovigilance is an important part of ensuring the safety of medicines. It helps to identify and assess any potential risks associated with medicines, so that these risks can be minimized. Pharmacovigilance also helps to ensure that patients are aware of the risks and benefits of medicines, so that they can make informed decisions about their treatment. There are a number of ways to conduct pharmacovigilance. One way is to collect data on adverse events reported by patients, healthcare professionals, and manufacturers. This data can then be used to identify any potential safety concerns. Another way to conduct pharmacovigilance is to conduct post-market studies. These studies can be used to collect more data on the safety of medicines and to identify any potential risks that were not identified during clinical trials. Did you know that the most common adverse event reported to pharmacovigilance databases is nausea? Pharmacovigilance is an important part of ensuring the safety of medicines. It helps to identify and assess any potential risks associated with medicines, so that these risks can be minimized. In the end, I'll leave you with one more interesting fact. The first pharmacovigilance system was established in the United Kingdom in 1964. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something about pharmacovigilance. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.